In this video we are going to create the Neumorphic button, right? So you can see here in the screen, here is one thumb button. It's showing it's like the normal one, but when I press this button, it's you see the animation, right? This kind of button we call it as Neumorphic buttons, right? So this is our final result. We are going to start with this creating here this animation controller, right? Animation controller. The duration is just for the 150 millisecond. We create one the box decoration. We will give this color white and the border radius just for the 15, right? So this illusion is happen through this box shadow. This means if we press the button, we give the empty box shadow. In other condition, we'll give the box shadow with offset -5. This means x direction and the y direction. If we give the -5 box shadow, this means this button goes to the off direction, and this border radius is 5. Right, we give here the two box shadow. These two covers x direction and the y direction, -x direction -y direction, and this covers x direction and the y direction. And on the side we will give a thumbs up with the blue color, right? So here we handle its state through the BLoC. We are not using any stateful widget, right? So just go through the first with the BLoC. First we have the two events. This means press event and the release event, right? Just like we can see here, we press and we release, we press and we release. This means when you press, this means the button is activated, but this press value is true, otherwise false. Okay, and here is the state. On the state we have the initial status. This means in the initial status the press value is false, because these are the immutable classes, so these are not changed. Either it's sent false or true, false or true. This means the false is fixed value for the initial state. When the button press, this constructor returns the true value. This means the press is going to be the true, and this button release is false. Okay, so in the BLoC here in construction first, the super is the initial state. Okay, and this one is when you press event, this button press events, this return the true value, and under button release event it gives the release state value. This means the false value. You can hear just like we press event and release event, press event and release event. Okay, this much for this video. Okay, I will also put this code in the GitHub. If you want to try, you can try. I will put in the description.